Okay, this is a quick video of how to set up the DR4024. This is actually the starter set that Digikeijs do. So it comes with the accessory decoder and 4 servos. It also comes with an extension pack and all the arms and everything as you would expect. So the first thing we do is connect up the servos. Now with these ones, when we take the lead, the orange wire faces into the decoder and the brown wire faces out. So when we plug it in, we must make sure track power is off. Always have track power off when connecting anything up. So we just plug them in. There we go, they're all plugged in. Now how I've wired this, so from the DCC bus on the program on the main we're going to do, it comes in and loops into power. So it goes into signal and loops into power. So if you're new to the DR5000, you have to set up a couple of things first. Go to the track output, loco tab. This must be set here on 128 speed steps. Okay, not 28. The default is 28, so make sure you change that. And whilst you're here, it's best to tick all of these, and also make sure that your last short address is 127. Then long addressing starts from there onwards. So once you've made that change, hit the tick. Now it's set up ready. Okay. So now we'll be able to do the programming of the 4024. So if you click on control, in here you can open a throttle. So we can have a loco throttle. A switch board as well. So this is for your switching your accessories. Okay. So these are the two main things you're going to need to use, okay? Once you have these open, to set the address of this unit, we can press the program button. If you want to start at address 1, you would click 1. Now, the red light is on. So now when we click on the green, it sends that command. Because this was in program mode, it accepted it and the red light's gone out. So now it's addressed 1 to 4. Okay. Now, because of that, if we hit address 1, you can see the servo move and the red light flashes on to say it's received the command. If I go 2 moves. Now I've just chucked those arms on the top. I haven't done anything with them, so they're not centralized or anything at the moment. Okay, so you can see they're all working. Okay, now the next thing you have to do, if you want to program the first one, so it's accessory address 1 as we got this, you must activate that accessory first. So it puts it into the stack, so it knows that's the one you want to talk to. Now when you press the program button, it centralizes the servo to the 0 position. So you've got 0, you can go one way or the other way, okay, with the arm. So what you do is you open loco address 999, okay. We then turn function 0 on for the lights to also put that into the stack, so it knows that that loco is active. Make sure the program button's on. Choose direction travel one way, and we start to move the throttle. And as you move it, you can see the servo moves. Get it to the position you wish. Then you press F1. You then stop the driving of the loco. Change the direction. Now when you press stop driving, it's now driving the other way. So we can now move it to our other position. Press F2. Press stop. It goes back to the center. We then turn programming off. Now we can test it. So if we say, okay, we want to go one way. So it's now gone to that stored position. And we go the other way. And it goes to the other stored position. Okay, so that's how you do it from the DR5000 config. Now, if you have a handset, this is the Pico handset on Locanet, we can also drive the servos from here. Okay, so if we wanted to program the second servo, you've got to activate it first, press the program button. On this one you would go mode 1 to go back to the loco. Okay, now we can drive it one way. And you'll see on there it's changing as well. So we can save that position. Then we can drive it the other way. And store that position. Now we got that one set. Turn the program mode off. Okay, so then that one's set. So now if I fire 2, it goes to one way and goes to the other. One way, the other. So if we wanted to now move 3, we first have to activate address 3. So it knows you're talking to that one. Put the program mode on. It centralizes it. And if we do it on the throttle, make sure 1 and 2 is off. So store that. Press down, go the other way, store that, and then turn it off. We could drive it from here, for example. I'll just turn this off. So if we go mode turnouts, and it's number 3, so it goes one way, the other. So that's the 2 stored positions. Yeah, it's as easy as that. So the last one's 4. So first we have to activate address 4. So you know you're talking to it. Program mode on. It goes to the center position of the servo. So if your arm was not in the position you wanted center. So say if you wanted it dead square. Put it in the center. Call up loco address 999 or on here 99, doesn't matter where you do it, so let's do it on here. So let's move the servo one way, press F1, change direction, goes back to center. Sorry, wrong direction. I'll save it that direction, press F2 and stop it. Then turn the program mode off, and then you can change the turnouts either on here, turnout 4, or you can do it 4 on here. Simple as that. That is how you set this up for 2 positions of the servo. You can do 4 as well, then use F3 and 4 for the store positions. But let's just keep it simple. That is how it works.